When you want to solve two-step equations using balancing method, you need to remember about the right order of operations, okay? In this calculation here, okay, notice that x is multiplied by 2 first, and then we add 6. Because we solve an equation, so we're kind of going backwards, okay? So when I want to get rid of different parts from my equation, I need to remember to do it in the right order. So I'm going to go this way, okay? We're going backwards. So I need to get rid of this part here. So I need to get rid of this, okay? Now the opposite of adding 6 is take away 6. So I take away 6 from both sides. So when I do that, I have 2x left on the left-hand side, and then 12 left on the right-hand side. Okay, now I can get rid of this part here, which is the 2 here, or the 2 here. Okay, remember 2x means 2 times x, so I need to do the opposite operation, which is dividing by 2. I need to do the same to both sides. The 2 cancels down, and then 12 divided by 2 is 6. So the final answer is x equals 6. Okay, in the next example, notice, okay, if I look at this calculation, I've got x, and then first I times it by 3, and then I take away 7. So I need to do the opposite first. So I need to add 7 to both sides. Okay, so I add 7 to both sides. Okay, so I have 3x equals 12. Okay, then the opposite of multiplying by 3 is dividing by 3. Okay, so I divide both sides by 3. The 3's cancel down, and I've got x equal to 4, because 12 divided by 3 is 4. Okay, now in the next example, we have the order is slightly different, okay, but we need to get rid of the 4 first. So we take away 4 from both sides. So I have 5x equal to 10. Then we need to divide both sides by 5 to get rid of the 5 in front of x. The 5's cancel, and I've got 10 divided by 5, which is 2. So the answer is x is equal to 2. In the next example, first I need to get rid of add 4. So I take away 4 from both sides, and I have x over 3 equal to 7. Okay, then I need to get rid of the divided by 3. The opposite of dividing is times. So I times both sides by 3. The 3's on the left side cancel, and I have 3 equal to 21, and that is the answer. In the next example, I need to get rid of the 3 first. So I take away 3 from both sides. Okay, I have 4x left, and then negative 5 take away 3 is negative 8. Make sure you're careful when you calculate with negatives. And then to get rid of the 4, I need to divide both sides by 4. The 4's cancel, and I've got x equal to negative 2. Okay, and the last example, I want to get rid of the negative 4. So I add 4 to both sides. I've got x over 5 left on the left hand side, and then negative 5 left on the right hand side. Now to get rid of the fraction, which is division, I need to do the opposite. So I multiply by 5, and I need to do it to both sides. Okay, now the 5's cancel, and I've got the answer, which is x equal to minus 25.